Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raptorable, and today with my friend, I'm gonna explain how to make a vlog.
So let's get into the video. Step 1. Preparation. First of all, what we have to do is find the references and preparing your mental. In this part, you can watch your favorite vlogger to analyze the technique.
Step 2 is make a social media account to share your video. You should give your social media account with name that interesting and easy to find.
Step 3. Getting the right equipment. Getting the right equipment will help you to make a video high quality. You can use the camera or microphone to make them better. You can use the tripod to help you holding the camera.
Step 4. Prepare your video. Find a video topic, then prepare your video like writing a script.
Step 5. Film a vlog. After that preparation, it's time to recording. Tips for recording.
Hello guys. My name is Raptorable Nation, and today we are having some vlog and subscribe like.
Welcome back to my channel, Raptorable Nation. We want to what? Why so dark?
Step 6. Edit your video. It's time to make your video interesting. You can add animation and some background music.
Step 7. Upload your video in social media. To get more viewers, you can edit your information videos like thumbnail and title to be interesting.
Tonight